Good afternoon, sir. So in this video is a DD based video on the welding. So DD based video, what are the things here? What are the five applications of DD based videos? Idea, prototype. So in this video, we are going to see about welding. So need of talking about welding. What is welding? What is the process of welding? What do you mean about welding?
So to make two joints.
Join welding is welding, sir. And the welding there are, do you know how many types of welding are there?
Arc welding,
Gas welding,
TIG welding.
other arc welding. That is
only three types of welding are there. Three joining process. Three joining process there. The joining process is one is welding, the other one is solid and brazing. So welding is joining of two similar metals. Casting is casting or MS with MS joining is welding. So soldering is joining of very low material, light heating case. This is aluminum circle. Soldering is and brazing is two dissimilar materials joining for the brazing is. And then one more extra is what is plastic welding. And welding is fat material and pan welding joining. So in this, here we are seeing the arc welding system. So the arc welding will be mainly welding is there. So in this, the equipment what is used, it was handled. And this is positive, whereas the negative will be there will be one more condition there, which will be fixed in the whichever metal part you are doing here.
So why do we use negative, sir?
Only positive is the current will be passing there. And here this is the wooden table. Just for demonstration only, I am informing you. That is DD this video. Just for demonstration, I am informing you in the wooden table system or it must be bundle table only. And while welding is all welding must be used by use of the
For safety purpose.
for safety purposes. So mostly whichever parts is being welding that cannot will be on the hot part itself. You cannot be hold by the price and open hand itself. So in this one will be actually electrode will be there. In this electrode this will be a electrode cover and then the flux will be overput here. The welding is going there. We must have the either goggles or the spectacles made. Black spectacles. You said that there are no more power welding in place. So these are goggles.
Part.
And once this welding will be handled by the parent will be carried by the toggle system. This is toggle system which is to handle the welded part system.
Yes, sir.
And once welding is clear, it will be having a chipping hammer. Chipping hammer. It will be used to take out the fluxes. And there is a wire brush also be there. There are two. First thing we have to prior to the welding part itself, and after welding you must clean it.
So why to dip the welding part finish? Why to dip the water?
Here there's no water. You must use water itself here. This will be using the flux, not the water. So flux is the base.
Sir, to reduce heat, what to do? What particle? What to do?
To reduce.
Heat. To reduce heat, only if there's heat is produced, you can be able to. This will be melting the pan metal as well as the steel will be welded. MS rod will be welded. Will be due to heat, it will be melted and it will be pasted here. So the types of joints we see. This one is the butt joint.
Butt joint. T joint.
Butt joint and there's a lap joint and there's a T joint. These are three joints of that. You can see it is this joint itself.
Double side.
But the welding must be clearly. This was a good welding itself.
Yes, sir. Okay.
If suppose there will be welding defects will be there. Suppose there will be this is the
Gap.
blow holes are there.
will be formed, sir.
Okay, sir.
Blow holes are there, and this is also this part is a good welded. But here what happened? The parameter itself has been broken and melted there.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is not a good welding. This is having welding defects is there. And similarly, you can see for the neat welding is there for the T joint. So this is a good welding itself there. Once after welding is there, we are using a chipping hammer, chip it, and we are striking out the fluxes and also wiped out by the brushes there.
What types are needed in that welding
Only
rod?
for milestone only, MS welding. This is all is the MS methodology. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, with this section we will come to the end of the welding part.
Okay.
Thank you.